Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a half baby light on my beautiful and loyal client Ophelia. So quick backstory, she came to me almost 2 years ago with what I like to call the Burner 40. The Burner 40 is the stylist to apply 40 volume to the hair and throw the client under a hooded dryer for 40 minutes or even sometimes more. I corrected her hair as much as I could and we decided to then tone her down a few weeks later using my foil conversion technique. I did throw clip-ins in her hair that day as well. The foil conversion video is linked down below in my description box if you guys want to check it out and see what we were dealing with at that time. Fast forward 20 to 21 months later, after babying her hair, growing it out minimum heat, no lightener, just demi-permanent color, and we decided we were ready to lighten her hair up and give it the old Collins dry. Because we weren't fully sure how everything would lift, we went with a full teasy light. You guys, this is the way to go when wanting a really rooted dimensional sun-kissed look or when you want to see how the hair lifts to come up with a better game plan. Teasy lights always give the best starting canvas for a baby light or regular highlight. Fast forward after that 6 weeks and here we are doing a half baby light highlight, packing the foils in back to back. Ophelia's hair is resistant and always cooks slow and has a hard time lifting, but due to her past experience, we prefer healthy hair over blonde hair, so I stick to 20 volume and Oxycur and let her hair lift more over time. We also want to keep the integrity of her hair intact. So I find in my experience working with a ton of blondes is that one of the most important parts to focus on when foiling is the crown of the head. We are doing a half here, but even when I do a full, I tend to section out an upside down triangle about 75% of the time. The other 25% of the time when I'm doing a half, I'll do a crown box. Sometimes I will foil on a diagonal and other times, like today, I'll do it on a horizontal, depending on my canvas and our end goal. This spot is important to pack the foils in, especially during a half. Make sure you're going upside down, deep enough down with a triangle or crown box, because there's nothing a client hates more than not having enough foils packed in, and when the wind blows, it opens up like a deep, dark hole. Something different about my half highlight option is that I offer my clients the option to have me place foils underneath the nape area. Doing this allows them to pull their hair up and appear to have everything done and fresh. It's not a mandatory thing, but very, very rarely does anyone ever decline it. The number of foils I do varies from client to client and texture of their hair and length, but the average is between 9 and 15 foils. It's great for my clients who have their goal color because they can get halves or partials 12 to 20 months before needing a full. An in-depth breakdown video is on the way of this. Let me know down below if that's something you'd be interested in.
Reaching up from the ground, trying to not think about you, whilst you're in my mind, screaming loud. Still so lost, scared to find reasons to not be without you. Wish I could have my head in the clouds. You came out searching for a reason, came out looking to throw
Alright guys, so she's gonna process for like 35-40 minutes. I always watch it. I never have a set time. I'll show you guys when we get to the toning portion. Stay tuned. I am shadowing her, bringing it down about 1 inch to 2 inches. And I am using 5N with a dribble of 5NA Shades EQ. And for her toner, I'm using 6 level 9 toners. I'm using 9P, 9V, 9G, 9GB, 9NW, and a little bit of 9N to neutralize everything. You guys, look how beautiful this hair color has come out. As always, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have learned at least one thing here today. Let me know down below what you want to see in the future. And as always, guys, so long for now.